Hi, so today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 apps that can help you buy US stocks, Nigerian stocks, and the Ghana stocks on each of the marketplaces. So these apps, brokerage apps, created by these brokerage companies that help you buy the various stocks that you will prefer, either on the Nigerian stock market, the Ghanaian stock market, or the US stock market. So if you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe. It encourages me to do more videos like this so that we all can stay enthusiastic about personal finance and investing. So basically, this channel is about personal finance, money management, and beginner investing into wealth building. So thank you, and let's get into it.
Welcome to our channel, where we explore the intersection of finance and film.
Okay, so the first app I want us to look into is the Bamboo. Now, Bamboo is a technological company that helps you buy shares in the US stock market, and then the Nigerian stock market. And it is available for Ghanaians, Nigerians as well. So if you're in Ghana or Nigeria, you can buy US stock market, you can buy US companies, shares in US companies on the US stock market. You can also invest in ETFs and mutual funds like the VOO, HCHD, and all these other ETFs or mutual funds that are available on the platform for you to buy. Now, you need to know that Bamboo itself is not a brokerage. It's not a brokerage company. They are a technological company. So they have partners. So in the US, their main broker partner is DriveWealth. So DriveWealth is the brokerage firm registered in the US by the Securities Exchange Commission. So they help you buy US stocks when you're using the Bamboo platform. And if you're in Nigeria and you want to buy Nigerian stocks, Bamboo's main brokerage partner is Lambert Capital. And Lambert Capital is also licensed and registered in Nigeria. So these two brokers partner with Bamboo to bring you shares, companies that you can buy in on the stock market, on the various stock market. Now, if you're in Ghana, you cannot buy Nigerian stocks. However, you can buy US stocks on the, on the Bamboo platform. However, in the future, if they decide to open it up and then make it available to us, who knows, we will be happy. So yeah, that is for Bamboo, and I hope that this helps you to know how you can invest in the US stock market and the Nigerian stock market. So number 2 investment app that are on the market, which are very accessible, especially for Ghanaian, is IC Wealth. So now I personally like IC Wealth because IC Wealth is very easy to understand for beginner investors. No complicated languages and a very seamless platform. So IC Wealth app is an investment app created by IC Security Africa. So IC Africa created the app to help Ghanaians buy shares in the Ghana Stock Exchange. So you can buy the various companies that are listed on there, and it helps you to they also have a mutual fund that you can invest in. But I think that particular mutual fund is targeted towards the money market fund. So there are also T-bills that you can buy. You can buy the 91 day T-bill or the 360 something day T-bill on the IC Wealth app. So that's the app number 2 that you can buy. You can use to buy shares in, you can use to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange. So number 3 app that you can use to invest your money is, especially if you're in Nigeria, is Piggyvest. Now, Piggyvest helps you invest in different things. You can invest in REITs, that is the real estate investment trust. There are various that are on the Piggyvest app that you can use to invest. You can also save in dollars. So For instance, the Nigerian currency has been falling against the dollar for a while now. And luckily for Ghanaians, our currency has been a bit stable against the dollar. It has dropped from, I think, from 17 to now it's 10 point something, which is really, really good for investors like us, because if you're trying to deposit from local currency change into, for instance, dollars to buy stocks, for instance, US stocks, you need a good exchange rate. Now, Piggyvest is one app that helps you save in foreign currency, so you can save in especially dollars on the Piggyvest app. So it helps you keep your money safe, and then it kind of like stabilize against the local inflation as well. So Piggyvest is an app you can also use. Number 4 app that is on the market you can use is the Achieve app. Now Achieve is Achieve is an app created by Petra Insurance. Now they put together this app mainly for savings. So you can use the app to save towards a goal. For instance, you want to buy a car and you can only save a certain amount every month towards it. Instead of putting it into a traditional bank account, you can create an account with Achieve and then save towards that goal, because they have a higher they have a higher interest on how do you call it, their savings as well. So that is where I put my money for high interest savings, as well as creating an emergency fund account. So they have other things that you can do on the app. You can buy insurance on that app. You can also buy you can also invest long term into the money market funds that they have available. So that is it for Achieve. Achieve by Petra is a really good app. I use it, and that's I would want you to also do your research to see if it's something that you might like to use. The last investment app or savings app that I would recommend for you is the CareerWise app. Now I say recommend because I was using that particular app, I think, when I was in Nigeria, and I think it's a really, really good app for investing. So it's just like Piggyvest, but the only difference is that on CareerWise app, you can buy, you can invest into different types of mutual funds. I'm talking the UBA mutual funds, UBA Bank mutual funds, the Stanbic Bank IBTC mutual fund, the Zenith Bank mutual funds, and then the RM Money Market mutual funds. So all these mutual funds are available to Nigerians. And I think if you are in Nigeria and you're looking into investing, you're looking for a safe investment platforms to put in your money, you can either go to the bank or you can use the CareerWise app to invest into all these types of mutual funds, and that would be very helpful in your financial journey. Before I end this video, there's a bonus app that I personally use. So when I was in Nigeria, I opened an OPay account. Now, OPay account, granted, is not going to, it's just a financial app, just like any other digital bank in Nigeria that you can use to transact money. But they have an interesting feature on the OPay app that I like a lot, which is the OPay Wealth. Now, the OPay Wealth helps you make daily interest on your savings in the account, which is really, really good. I like it a lot because if, for instance, you have, let's say, 15,000 naira, it calculates based on them, based on the how the market behaves. They can give you up until 0 point something% every single day. So imagine you have, let's say, 1M or 2 million naira in the account, and you are getting, let's say, maybe 100 naira every single day on your account. Yes, it's not going to change your life, but it's going to add up, and then over time you're going to make a massive interest. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find the video valuable, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.